Practical, reliable, and built for accessibility, this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT delivers trusted performance with BraunAbility's proven engineering. With just 30,300 miles, this wheelchair-accessible van offers outstanding value and plenty of life ahead. It combines Dodge's dependable design with a BraunAbility automatic side entry in-floor conversion, giving you a mobility solution that's both functional and long-lasting. The automatic in-floor ramp makes access quick and secure for wheelchair users, and when not in use, it stows neatly under the floor, keeping the interior spacious and free of clutter, perfect for everyday comfort and convenience. This Grand Caravan features a beautiful white exterior paired with a durable black cloth interior. It's a modern, clean look that delivers both style and functionality. Powered by a strong 3.6-liter V6 engine, you can expect smooth handling and consistent performance whether you're driving around town or heading out on the open road. This 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT is a low-mileage, affordable path to accessibility. With BraunAbility's trusted in-floor conversion, it's spacious, practical, and built for everyday use. For more details, visit automobilitystore.com or call us today at 800-431-3183. We're here to help you find the wheelchair-accessible van that fits your needs.